Afternoon po sa inyong lahat.
Good afternoon po.
First of all, let us thank the Lord for gathering us in this beautiful Monday afternoon. And reflecting on our readings, particularly the Gospel, I remember when I was a seminarian and a newly ordained priest, I was always invited to facilitate retreats or recollections. And one of the talks that I repeatedly share is about the gospel for today. Because most of the times when we, have recollections and retreats, we always try our best to reflect and discern our relationship with one another and of course with our loving God. Usually I have this talk which I begin by bringing a white polo shirt and then I put ink to some parts of the polo shirt. And I usually show that to my participants. And then upon presenting and showing the polo shirt to them, I ask the question, what do you see? Anong nakikita ninyo? Kalimitan po, ang sagot nila ay nakikita nila yung stain o yung ink na nandun sa puting polo shirt. But seldom recognize, even forgot the beauty of the whole polo shirt. My dear brothers and sisters, it is a sad reality that most of us are judgmental. We tend to see other people's faults more than ours. This is what our Lord Jesus lamented in today's gospel. Why do you notice the splinter in your brother's eye, but do not perceive the wooden beam in your own eye? That's why he said, don't judge. It is the Lord's invitation to all of us, followers of Him. Thus, judgment must always be don't. And what are we going to do? I believe there are 5 or 4 things to do. First, to refrain ourselves from judging. 1, of course, be disciplined. Discipline is a training that makes the person more willing to obey rules or are more able to control himself or herself. Instead of judging the person right away, we are invited to accompany the person in correcting his or her shortcomings. Reform is more developmental, whereby the person regains his or her dignity. Second, be open-minded. Openness is a key to understanding. Instead of judging the person right away, we are invited to consider the good qualities of the person, so that we can help the person stand up again and change his or her life for the better. Third, be non-violent. Non-violence promotes peace. Instead of judging people right away, we are invited to promote peace and start building bridges with them. Fourth, be transformative. Transformative is something that inspires changes for the better. Instead of judging the person right away, we are invited to have a transformative learning and attitude in order to mutually effect changes for the betterment of the relationship. So, my dear brothers and sisters, don't judge. Don't. Instead, be disciplined. Be open-minded. Be non-violent. And be transformative. So that we can improve our relationship with one another and continue to respect each other's dignity and, of course, the total being of everyone. Because at the end of the day, all of us needs to be corrected, needs to be improved, and needs to be somehow receive feedback for one another for us to have a better version of ourselves and a better version of our life.